Hey everyone, welcome back to the PassFab channel. If you have forgotten the login password for your Asus laptop and find yourself completely locked out of your system, it can be an incredibly frustrating experience. But don't worry, because you won't need to format your computer or lose any of your precious data. In this video, I will show you how to easily remove that forgotten password and regain access to your Asus laptop using the professional Windows Unlock tool, PassFab for WinKey. This software is the most reliable way to handle a lockout when you don't have other options available. To get started, you will first need access to a separate working computer to download and install PassFab for WinKey from the link in the video description. Once the program is launched, insert a blank USB flash drive and select it from the drop-down menu, then click Start Burning to create a bootable reset disk. After the process finishes in just a few seconds, safely eject the USB and return to your locked Asus laptop. Plug the bootable USB into the Asus laptop and restart the machine, while repeatedly tapping the boot menu key, which for Asus models is typically the Escape or F2 key. Then select the USB drive as the primary boot device. Once the PassFab for WinKey interface loads, select your Windows operating system and click Next to see a list of all user accounts on the computer. Highlight the specific account you want to unlock. Select the option to remove account password and click Next to finalize the removal. Finally, click to reboot your laptop, and once it restarts, you will find that the password has been entirely removed, allowing you to log back into your Asus account with just a click. If this tutorial helped you get back into your computer, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward tech tips and solutions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.